I'm Joey from Dad's Simply Cooking, and we're making monster breakfast burritos. Or really like cheesy potato breakfast burritos. I don't know. I seen these walking in the store the other day, and these are cheesy potato bites from Checkers and Rallies. And if you know anything about this channel, you know my favorite is the Checkers French fries. They also have phenomenal sweet potato fries, so I picked these up. We're gonna make breakfast burritos with them. So get your bacon, pop in your oven at 350. Get it nice and crispy. A tube here of Jimmy Dean's mild breakfast sausage. I'm not gonna use the whole thing. I'm gonna kind of measure it out. I'm just gonna use a half a tube, so a half a pound. And I always twist at the bottom to get my sausage out the tube. I don't know if y'all do that. That's just how I've always done it. And I want to make these more longer than circular, because this is going to go in my burrito. So those cheesy potatoes, I popped in my air fryer, and I put about put about 12 in my air fryer, and they have came out, and they look delicious. They are. Say everything Checkers / Riley's puts out.
Stop it. Get some help.
I'm excited about that. But I put them in my air fryer at 350 for about 20 minutes. Let them get good and crispy. Ooh, they have a little kick to them. Ooh, that'll be good. So we're looking at our sausage. We're watching those edge brown. That's what we're going for. Oh, yeah. So I'm going to set my sausage to the side and let that grease absorb onto a paper towel. And I'm going to crack my eggs. In this house, there's only one way that we normally do them, and that's scrambled. With a dash of milk. A bit of that pepper. And a little bit of salt. Breakfast burritos are one of my favorite things in this world. The OG breakfast burrito is still Chick-fil-A's. I'm going to do a handful of Kobe. And his cousin did come by, Jack. He's been a little bit spicy here lately. Bacon's done. And it's not burnt. Burrito, check. Our sausage, check. A little bit more of that cheese. Now, those tots. Bring my egg right on over. Now, this is buyer's choice. You can do some avocado ranch. You can do some spicy chipotle ranch. Jerry, what do you want on it? So we got some chipotle ranch. Pop up there. And then we form our massive burrito. You guys forgot to remind me about the bacon. That's just strike one, but it's okay. There's unlimited strikes. All right, tortilla, sausage, those hash browns. I'm not going to forget the bacon this time. So let me go ahead and grab egg. I want a little bit of pepper jack on mine. And me, I'm going to go with the avocado ranch, just a light drizzle of it. And y'all, the monster burrito is complete. Or cheesy potato burrito. I don't know what you want to call it. It's something. It's cheesy, potato, monster biscuit. I don't know. It looks good though. All right, this burrito is thick. And the only thing left we have to do is to eat. That's why I wanted a burrito. Rock on. I'm glad I made these. These are delicious. These cheesy potato bites, seasoned from Checkers and O'Reilly, are absolutely phenomenal. These are making this burrito. I saw these in my freezer aisle. I'm not sponsored by them, but I do love their brand, and they're 10 out of 10. Catch you in the next one. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Peace!